In the event that you have an uncontrolled leak at your faucet, I'm going to show you how to turn that off using the isolation or the emergency shut-off valves under the sink. The emergency shut-off valves in a home can come in a variety of different types. We've got the quarter turn, which is generally just a 90-degree turn. We've also have multi-turn valves, which take about 2.5 complete rotations to fully shut off the water. In the event of emergency water flowing and you need to shut it off, we recommend that you shut everything off under here. It can get complicated and you may need your professional to tell you what valve goes to what. So these you're just going to turn righty-tighty. These are quarter turn valves, so you turn them 90 degrees to the off position.